Hello friends, welcome to TurboSite channel. In this video, we'll show you how to use the TBS6216 DVB-T2 C2 TC16 tuner PCIe card together with DVBlast to lock DVB-T or DVB-T2 channels and stream them out via RTP or UDP. Step 1. Check if all 16 tuners have been loaded. Step 2. Configure necessary parameters to scan the channels. Step 3. Create a .conf configuration file to define the destination IP address, the output port, and the program ID that you want to stream. Whether DVBlast outputs RTP or UDP is determined directly inside the configuration file. Test the streams in VLC player. Step 4. Create a .conf file to stream some channels via RTP. Test the streams in VLC player. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and product updates from TBS.